Hi, this is Laura Vergara, and I'm with ABC Bartending Schools here in Miami, Florida. In this clip, we're going to show you how to make a berry margarita. Well, what is a margarita? Margarita is basically tequila, triple sec, which is an orange flavored liqueur, and sour mix, which is a very concentrated lemon-lime flavor. Okay, it gives it a nice froth over the top for your margaritas. Okay, we're going to start off with a mixing glass, about 2/3 of the way with ice. Okay, we're going to start off with tequila, Jose Cuervo. It's very good tasting tequila for margaritas. About 4 counts worth of that. Then you're going to use some triple sec. That's that orange flavored liqueur I was telling you about. Okay, there's a lot of different brands with triple sec, so it really doesn't matter which brand you use as long as it says triple sec on it. Okay, it's a very low alcohol level, so it's about 17%. Then you're going to add your sour mix, about a good squirt in there. Then you're going to put your Blackberry Brandy, which will make it your berry margarita, okay? Blackberry Brandy, pour about a couple of squirts in there. And you want to give this a really good shake. Because if you can tell, sour mix doesn't blend very easily with anything. So you want to give it a good shake. Now, you want to garnish this maybe with some blackberries if you have, or some strawberries even, just to give it that berry flavor. You can also rim your glass with sugar. But in this case, what we're going to do is we're going to put some strawberries on the edge and make that a berry margarita. Here in Miami, we like all this type of variation of stuff. This is one of the most refreshing drinks that you can have here. So come out to South Beach and enjoy the berry margarita. This is Loudon. Thank you for watching.